so why crowd say baby I will be no obeba na waba be wadoma wonso no we need to agi papa another first debut Emma a Dorifa Vigo Plus for Dorifa Vigo Plus a drum one sobia so when you be na so no man say ye enemu yade pa na tete oni de e bi twa ne condemn e de free ni pedue no mu se sebie son sebie nyaado oba entisan ya bo ahemfie ho wotimu nse world cup no e koswa na nani jimi peyo emfama no de wom afensu no nsu bia sebi ifrahemfie ho a eba no enya nika eya na ise aisa katwa sebi ase mole ase condense etete o mesawada no pay ma wonsanka Dorifa Vigo Plus na memene mame wo memene a enu ano no me pacho ebe class ye ho ame ho ayewe se sanso ena ebe ma wankasa no hoate ankasa empo se HIV AIDS money bi ena boere ni pedue no mu anopai make am for Dorifa Vigo Plus ama se kwana kope bi na memene mame na ebidu akegina mu ama bibia ayo fine edwuma me anyway ena na anopai wono mo etebri wo mu sika twitwidi asto matne ema yedi morning show ye ebra we stream live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube Koowaa TV Sam Darkos initiative Sam Darkos TV so you stream live ho enti message say channel na wa like your page no wa comment no wa share na afofo so enye bi a share well and then menu alo mienu a menu omo ebedi dwumen of course many abema Nanaji represent the MPP or a communication team member for the Ashanti region for the MPP one more time so and Mia Madina Jackson Pra or non so a communication team member for the NDC or non so ebeba na yedi Ghana ho enkomo anopai maybe so say Sebi so sebi nyado sede da ye no ewo dwumedi so no aware mienu aware mienu be ma sebi so sebi nyado ne braso se wo so ware baako ewo ma wo se oware baako aka ho awade mienu ye ana se awade de obenya den kwa ware baako pe wenyi wasumdwe se be ware mienu ana se baako eneye eno ena no pe me bi saw the question for the day and sana abedwafo ba me di nkomo me bi sawo sawade me enu ye ana sa wade de eno anse wonya yere baako bi na tase wane nka to baby ana se dodo no ye me enu me ensa enan empo sebie son sebie nyaado se wo betimi ahwe wo kwa enehia ana se baako na apart from many animal cramofo nim say they have the right to marry like as many wives as they can, you understand na yen so yen say be worry me dodo and any question for the day and pay maybe sound and pay me motivational be dey more send me be telephone no atum e dey mama so afre na question for the day no me nyina adwedwen hom and say try to do something. Don't always wait to say ubi sebie so ubi na ebe bua ubi na ebe ma usika wo fa bi wa brochi ena ono ena wo so tabiska or the bua yon kofo bebre hono ma wo nkomo mu di nyina ane say ena mo fa kwata brochi da ontimi mu abusuani ba akokra ontimi me fa abusuani ba akokra ankoe ontimi ye stay sebi obefa kwa eyo na die na wo so te Ghana wo ya ma ho there be a what was so offer if America emebua offer fi Germany emebua offer bia or teacher no headmistress or headmaster when you sika wari swa civil servant sebi son sebi nyaado ono ena e wose otabiska de ma se mo fa se gio na fa didwuma wa branka sebi enka won so try bibia nkeye ye nka say wo fa asefo anase wo fa nom antenom maamenom esimu ya mamu hwe busua nemmom try to do something o try say wo ye bibia ena o maame no o papa no o fa no o auntie na o London o American wo maame ni mpo obe won say oh maybe sebi son sebi nyaado me dey to adwuma mko no bo na modern kakra upon ho kakra kanti ma me support no but yonkofo do they are just there obetimi kwa abucha ware oso me de me twen se me yire no ba be fa me akọ ento sori anopa no ne dia ne se oto se tabem oto anopa o shedem ewia o shedem onya bibidia o shedem o twen se ne yire awaware no e de ne nkrata bi fra abucha ba be ware ne free Ghana e de na ko o twen se nukuru na se bi son se bi nya ado waware no efi abuche de nkrata ba be ware no e de na e de ba be fa no e de na ko so she's there or he's there onya na adwen se oye bibi no mesro je bibi sese ha many people no se wo kra no to asetan dada e ba sa bluffing ti me mu pa cho wo ti ase enipa bi oye adwuma e ti so oba oye adwuma oba ye adwuma let's say be so ko fam pempo no mpani jana ọmọ akasa wo timo se ni mu adu da bi o se me dua ke me ye ma adwuma nya ona aboma akoma entu ni me jaya kra na I am still me mpacho o ti ase do you understand ba wo nya adwuma na oto be ma na be ma chop money be ma na be hide am out ma na be top pad am out obeto nwi am ogu ti so ato nko ba kwa me mpacho me nko asa o ba kwa ku mpacho me mo kasa o e na dai kana so man ojawa ana odi uti wi wo de bebo dem ana say wanya mawa de bia na wo ha do something try why nyame ka ho so be ne sa e de amame ohun kwa be haro se wo ye adwuma me say wo ye oba na ye be ma na wo ye adwuma ana ni pa bia ye adwuma e ye na ohun haro obetin fi aka say na adwuma ne kra na adwuma ne kra menye bi nye ska ne kra wo he amede ko start obitimi di 200 Ghana tons you 100 cedis no atonso that cost sebie son sebie nya do sika wo say ni you can try something party try bibi kakra me say me boy bi ana me ne ye adwuma ma me nka ne sa ai me kan me boy bi ana nche se sebie so do da me so bo me to da bi me ni pa bi ana me ne ye adwuma ma brantie bi me guy bi me colleague bi ana me ne ye adwuma already de bia oba na okọ bosume so a ram say me ya je kakra no mama ne kakra me je me salary mama kakra ko no force agosia de sister me so edwuma de meet me ni wachi say ya kakra na de mam ne sisi so kra no be medri ma fa oba na na nyin say am oba na wo he say me top pampers me ho na ya frame me say oh I was say me to Cerelac ne ada this time so he say me guy bi twa no ma wo force line me ka sam na cho ne pa me ga bi twa no ma wo force line tim pese me koyi no ma ne kakra na me so no me dia yegu kam se be ye de bia me nyes kana bo so me so de bia se me dare bia mba no ma me ska me ntimi nko and am se bra mpacho mate se no be boa dia eni mpacho mate ase try no so me hwa de me se ne sa me nua be ma na no di mechi ase de so se de nyaado na me kakra de ma no 20 10 50 100 no ene nyakopon go hira no e me no da ne kem go kam ya o se akuma ene kakra me the YouTube kakra san kan ene I am proud of him so try something go come ya okoje oju ya ta na oto se masaji o hia na bia okuta bag bonechi obe ya chosisi anso efe obeto pacho oti ase ada na de otifi wada na yi area commando na ati parliament house na obi abrono no so nsem nyina wunim obi awon nsem nyina wunim obi kwa na atempumam obi ba na atempumam obi sana no do something maybe nyame nka ho so be ne sa e de amame enya sana so depend on obi a obe mo bose na so we depend on obi a you are always good to go 17 minutes after 6 a.m. from here na bibi sa say our dodo ye ana se ba ko eneye our dodo eye anaste baako na unya ade baako a wafa ne sa na watena ho na eja wokọ baby se na be ya pressure bia emeto so eno ena no pay me bi sa ene enkomo ye be di me di tudwa e di amawo ansa na abedwafo abet na se na no yem papa ya de nyina King Solomon e otufo o se tawo bio ehia eye na hefo na enkomo di mu na di tudwa se se bi so se bi nyaado uhwe Ghana akwanya bebre akwanye uhwe Kumasi akwanya bebre enye nanso 2019 eya banka say year of rose nanso year of rose no sebie so efa ahe yehu year of rose akwanya obi e complaining no kwan se kene me mu akwanya se kade ha obro no so ana ukrom mu a wo beka say ya kwanye obia bia na no akwan ento obisa say be so say be anya ado empanifo e mo kan say year of rose nanso da bia nkofo complaining on rose no year of rose no e fa hene na numa na empanifo fi do mo pay mo on be shaking Solomon de omo de no kre atu yo mo say nenka omunya nka omo ye ni nyina nanso sika eni ho na kin so say o saa afi de maka no kre sika eni ho abedwafo mi enu betena sia ye bedin komo na bisa wo mo MPP NDC year of rose MPP what happened now motima apemu aka checking Solomon say sika eni ho like seriously well wo mo ba ye beboawrem afi so no yeti kroma eni enim say sebie son sebie nyado ye nuanom a wo mo training college eni anese fo eni ajade anka obi nurse wi a wakotro ne exams wa pass wo wrem training training wi a wo ye na dwuma MPP aban e de aba say sebie son sebie nyado say obi kura no teacher ni anaso we nurse ni na say o ye adwuma mpa wo see sama no kwamani sa kwotro exams bi hu ni say sebie son sebie nyado training na wi na o ye na adwuma no sebie son sebie nyado so san kwotro so hebi no mo hu say adwene no emuda so do ana say odasu made ana so made na we na training for e ka say dabi no ye no ane he ye no ane say na amene na ma training ma try exams ma kwa pass e ye adwuma me san kwotro exams bi and His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama say, Onunya Kwenya no be di my supim, ebe President of the Republic of Ghana, Bioma, Sadini na uchem, obichem, sa enkomo mienu we, ena ibidi. Say ya abampe ni faja tum say womu ni sika enu nti na Ghana kwan bebre womu ntimi enyeye omo pay mu aka checking Solomon abra oni mpanifo ehyiaye ibidi san komo na afei no twemifo a womu no sebie so atwo so hwa pass ewe yo modwuma aban say womu nsan kwotwo so hwe bium asese womu say lalai ya try exams ewie na ya pass ya kwotwo na ewie na ye adwuma nsan kwotwo exams bium se ne se ho His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president, say, Usamba no betsna eya benya kesinsa. Sa doing na unnecessary examination. Will be training in emu. Ibedi hu komo maybe me lines na tumframe na yenko yenim anope. Awari mienu eye anasa wade de nkaba akona na nka wonye wasumdwe eno na anope me bisawo. Give me a call now and let's go. We should be live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Sam Darkos Initiative, Sam Darkos TV, and so you stream it live at Elho and subscribe to your channel, like your page in the comments, you say now a full so enyebi and share. Give me a call, I'm waiting for your call. Femi na yonko. Our redo was answer what dear back on I have a caller. Good morning, and I announce way. Alright. Me and council and I am son of Pebiano, we shall me will show you so I am more than grateful. Also for me na yenko yenim. Our good morning. Good morning. I forgot call ye. Yeah, Danyamia say that's what you see one pay. Really? Okay. Wow. Wow. So I oh wow. Oh Okay.
So okay.
Oh, okay.
I do come up. I do look at all about Koowaa and the Yamadia.
All right.
You go to about Koowaa, you are not to go to the Mokia, and then you are in Miska. I don't say that you are in it. You can't cry here. It's you about it. You I don't know what you
okay.
Okay.
That's what I say. I mean, and can guys say, I want to do a year and manicherry and see man, where are you? Give me a call now. Na young call your name say, I want to do a year. Well, 2 gone, so many to go. Give me a call 24 minutes after 6 a.m. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Madonna, I want to say.
Right, so my man, we are found out today.
Nakopa don't patch on me so when you pa.
From a Reverend Prophet Matthew, that is Adam Kwame. Oh, my imagine can say, I'm going to work on them polygamy. I'm a prophet of God. David, you're a poor man, but one farmer, you're the will of man and the will of God.
Okay.
Christianity always talk about the Holy Spirit. Let me ask you, Christian, only Christian, but when you have the same with Katano, only the only piano, only Kasa, only Yabuke, and piano. So, your restoration, okay, I'm not a madam, or you're born in a traumatic case. So, everybody condemn that, but the will of God is important. And not Solomon do that you can't say a final war because within the millions and millions, no, but the next techno, and it's a name. Can I have about it?
I mean, car, so wait me a friend. I wanted to do and as I did in Kabakona, na wako him. I have a caller on the line. Yeah, hello, good morning. Hello. Okay. Hello, good morning. Me pacho wudini baby morning pacho wudini baby afraid me free. Pacho inti one pay.
Pacho
me pacho wano ukoso so that.
The mouth when I was in the video koso na nito no bala ko da ko di biya abani chinakona da ni chino di do na ni da man ko mu je ti ya ni na ti
all right me ba to that pay what's so wait me after me 26 minutes after 6 a.m. hello good morning. Okay, we are live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Sam Darkos Initiative, Sam Darkos TV, so you stream me live and subscribe to your channel, no, na like your page, na comment, na share, na afufron so enye bi and share. Also be to me about so the door and I say back on and mama share our Facebook live, no, yeah, the money. America. Good morning. I want to say. Have a call on the line. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
But I told you we are premises. What's one of pay?
Hello.
If I told my long good morning.
If I told your friend Alexander, you can help you.
Alexis.
I will give you a café. I will give you an exam. The show I just know, I thought that is of 19. This is your baby, sir. So it's not going to let you very as we go to you, which is done right now. I wish you that you are so good. Now, I shall say, I'm going to put a band of which I will go and look at our new they are just
okay.
The short one is kind of about and another matter. But this is the cover. When you know that I was doing them okay.
Okay. All right. Yes. So yeah, that's your no pay. You mean come home be baby no. Also beat my friend. Give me a call. 28 minutes after 6. Of course. Our do ye. Anasa our dear unya se ba kona na woto ho na wenye wasumbi anasa bebre no ene ye ba ko mienu miensa no say no how you are ha anti friend I uncle hello good morning hello. All right. Also beating me abaso of bar. You be pick you up. I have so many messages here. This is an SMS that came in. BBC that let me tell you, marrying 2 wives is the best ever because none of them can bluff you because when they realize that this one is not, performing well, this one perform well, none of them will bluff you. Okay, baby. Thank you for a message. What day about Kuja Semper Furniture? I'm live on Facebook now. Facebook Live. Kuja Semper Furniture Works is I'm enjoying this powerful show from Kujo Semper Furniture Works Edum Komas. Sammy Danny says that nicely. All right. Thank you so very much for a message. What day about? Drop yours. I'll read it for you. I will call on the line. Hello. Good morning. Hey, Kobe Fair. Sit down here. Nakopa Dumpacho Okukrame. What are my into? Okay. Thank you so much for also a contribution or the other. You could be so be wow so just come and of course tell us how you feel. Say will be to me our and I say back on now I stick it to it and will be ufa wow coffee be sour do and also beat me about 30 minutes after 6. I'm picking about 2 more calls and of course now drop it the phone in down and of course na yabura Ghana and some emo from him na yonko 31 minutes after 6 a.m. You're live on Facebook Koowaa TVG live on YouTube. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening, baby. I'll frame me free. All right. Rich and Pastor into one okay.
Sometimes plan this and other Friday. So no about my wife the P you are not saying there. So it will be out of the piano. Program Parado. One like a wow. And I didn't know what you needed. Because the author and I didn't know Master Marco, you different color, different color. You look at the video, Papa, you look at the video, Papa. Nice up and down on back, the Kakarama will be a video. So I didn't know Marco, but we're in the own part.
Great, I think I agree with you. Or your offer, which I now offer for, but say over for me, no dear, ultimate pressure a bit also. One way or the other, you have a point there. If you also start on say every Sunday beer and a weekend beer, do for BP. So when they are two do here and we didn't know ABP, you have a point though, yeah. So many lifestyles over there. Also beat me about so brasso na yonko. Any bidi Ghana home enkomo. Enkomo be chichena no pay sebia afi na wati no TV na enkoma ibidi na say ye papa King Solomon ya de nyina otikoko so asantene ishia ne mpanifo the chiefs and of course mpanifo ahodo bebre na komotwetwe mu ano na oka say na sebie son sebie nya do 2019 moka say year of rose so no ama yehushe mamefa kwala we meba I will tell you. Hello, good morning. Meba cho mi tie wo Kobi. Okay. Alright, I could be fair and say, baby, was well, that's your point, though. We are making a point. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, they will patrol the baby are friendly free.
Put on my father.
It's one of him.
One man you got intimidate, I am sure that you are to Piana. If you are about it, this people come and read that. These people come and read, I don't know how to say it.
Wow. Wow. 70. I can see there was Marco 7. Can you maintain them? Can you take care of them? Nyame mo adwuma enkosto na onsuso no usisi na so be ware Marco be 7 so you can actually take care of them. That's the most important thing. Na nyese bia be ware dodo na afi no akoye nsempi no wo ma bebre so na wontimi share wow mo astem ankasa wow young man too.
The person people about the area one or travel or that amount of TV. The area one or what I show
okay.
And you are one
I know between 80. Say there's a bit so severe janto. Oh no, Canada, so stay yours, you understand? Unyanko wa bi aka e bia no ho na ensuintia I entino eno de yemfa encheno ewo ho I have a caller, right? Okay, fine. Many caller ewo line. Bo caller lines. Okay. Hi, good morning. Hello. All right, when me age that's also be me after offer I'll pick you up Mr. Wawa do ye and I say our day the winya so we re back up now peace of mind. We re back up I think say wo no wada sika kakra bi obenya bia we ya back for and one no na Jessica eni ho bebre na say meye miensa sisi sk obey dey okofa no hemfa wait chon if you have the the means it's good so marry like 2 or 3 but if you don't have the means enka se chenchine etwan obeko na wakakware mienu miensa afi na akoye nsem bebre we be chon library chon rent chon enya sem kito Mr. Wada ya shobotum ansana obeware mienu miensa waware shobotum shobotum you answer them see man kan shobotum because oboton mu nyidua o maye num kra na so yire ye ba akopa sebi so sebi ya do pressure Ghana sabrewe pressure we o ma 5 ebi adwuma income na e ba akopa fi ankwa na e ba 5 children 6 children 7 children obai sebi so ye adwuma bia e ma bebre na so kwa nye adwuma opa bia fa so boto ye kunu no nti be me ya light bill abo daddy like catch daddy say school fees about catch daddy say obeje drawing book o catch daddy say LIC say question to say hello good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Oh, that's a brand. What my line is to Kasawai. Me too, okay. I mean, when you're home. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's it. One body and chair, but your point well made. Yes, accepted or say our remedy day and ye crystal cry MP. Wow. What's what I didn't say? I don't know. 38 minutes after 6 a.m. Yeah, live on Facebook. Come on with TVGH. Live on YouTube. Come on with TV. Some darkos and initiative. Some darkos TV. So you should be live. Hello. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me Pacho, good morning, Moanonko.
Good morning.
Alright. Okay. Yeah, that's the Osiawa Remi and Redi. Yeah, Uniska and I also want to me worry, but you can just go ahead and marry as many wives as you can. Yeah, money there, yeah, dear, because when I'm worried. Hello. Hello. Good morning. I shall be here. What I'm alright, you didn't see one of pay me though. Okay. Alright. Say me da CP me do fupa I will do the or say eye. I go for be say eye it's good. Bibi na so say enka enye enka benya kabakona na enka wote wade ho. So what do you think? I'm still picking your calls as I'm waiting for my guests to come this morning. Of course, if you Ghana home come make I just say Monday to Thursday strictly politics. Yes, I will say yeah, you know, citizens and not spectators. Komubia equals for Ghana.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Madam Pacho, didn't baby are frame me free. Alright, you see one pay. Me say, the lady who come out to say, me say, I want to do a year. And yeah, I want to do the good. Okay. I can't know. Then I'm almost I know never soon see if you want to be in that. All right. If you come on my mind, then the whole over with your mind. Okay. Yeah, that's CP and no home come on and it is to stick to my topic. You understand? There may be some you know come on and sana de be ban some say to home come on. You understand? Yes. Give me a call now. 41 minutes after 6. Me go so me guest so mbabet na say na yesterday edi Ghana ho enkom no pay o mam no be di djuma me akasa me nua be ma na eje Ashanti Regional Communication Team the MPC. Hello, good morning. All right, what are my enti wa no pay ba cha wa no ko ba cha wa no ko eti o Emba chama me call afoforo na otie ne ho ntie emmoa me wadaro ma ofre me a me ntie ho. I have another call on the line. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Come in ntie o si saba o bibi fi ayonko. Okay. Well, thank you so much for or contributions. Still waiting for my guests. Omuya Maya will still, talk about the fact that say our do and I say our do enye. Good morning, my sweet. Nyakopa Dom now sway. Yes, my Miliana. Okay. So medase me beautiful lady, the first lady I will contribute this morning. Ladies no more infa monso mumu reme ukunu be Koowaa me no me ensa kan ho would you be okay? And I say opese ye nko or probably wo crab kan ho. That's cool. Provided see you come out, you don't mind. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho dini baby I frame me free. Me pacho yenti wano.
I'm sorry to tell you that you are saying. And then I'm very some mentioning and I'm saying you are being trained with the other again. And you can see TV society.
Okay.
Now, last year, I'm actually doing a class in the team. Last year, I'm checking the population.
Sure.
When you see YouTube, I don't know about the community in Koowaa. You just and Mama, and our more Ghana. And you could have people out of the 6 months. And Mama, and our woman. See the check and Mama, and Mama and Mama. Would be a 7 plus. The beach will put you check and Mama. You don't so sure. Saturday and Monday in Fiadosi, or the Diablo 7 plus, I will give you the I need to change to them. If you have a Koowaa, you can when the party of them. So you need to make a new video and a new consumption.
Okay.
Because from the time you need to that's what you have to look at that full ticket.
Okay.
So I didn't do that. Everything working for the tomorrow. There is no only in Bible and it's what you know about it. When you come and do your trip in today, you will be able to one. I don't think the problem is that you're really bad at it. Bible is just small, you can tell it in the cafe. And you go to the other one on the door and get it account. So it will also be a lot about it. But the time you do that, everything you put in about any before. So you really want to be in your soul.
Okay.
And your Bible will say, your prophecies are more alive. Koowaa is so much plenty. Everything is one year over. You have and that to the man of this. You are in time. When you are so the time you will tell you before.
Wow.
So when you come to me to school, I think you can do it. You want me to buy it. You want your children. As soon as you are in about the children, you know when your children are in the come again. As soon as you are the children. So I would do I know
I'm so grateful for your beautiful contribution. What they about. Of course, me fa Koowaa ebiom. Of course, abija for aye kradwa and star. Nene komo aye bidi na no pay me di tuja e dia ma wabra e yomba betina say. Then of course, just have a last caller, right? Okay. Last caller, good morning. Last caller, good morning. Hello, last caller. Hello. Okay, when to me and Jamie Pacho me fa Koowaa ebiom. Last caller and went to me and so. All right then. Me say last caller we beat me. Yabura Ghana and same name. Still waiting for. Hello, good morning. Obia my mefa obia ebiom it's okay. Ma member if he na member ma biankasa madin na Jackson pa akwa. Jackson baba.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Oh, fancy.
What happened?
Oh, bibi kakra bi ni twetwe but na wo do ntina wo se me.
Traffic bi anso ne kwa.
Nti praga kwa na dem bai.
Oh, kaka kan be fa.
Oh, ya hwe.
Kan be fa na ke na ya ba bom.
Afofo bi se.
Akwaba.
Yeah, no.
Odayi.
Oh, well then, nyame adom ye die. Wo ma yen kwan. Beda na se. Ya da yi, etimi da yi. Emi du anopa na to adwendwen.
Okay.
Adwendwen se. Adwendwen se sika wo be yi am oba no. Enso fie. Ti wo be pie no se ntokwa na edi bupi. Sika no ho wie o. E ma ni su saa, wo ne ye kosase ye ntum. Yesu etum aye kofa. First, no crowd, and Moka crowd him say, "Move, try and cacra." As he said, the Akufo do come at Yassi. Wako Jumda. Okay. Wako Jumda. Okay. Wako Jum pass about Mamma, we say, Yaya will say, yes, I'm watching you. Yaya was a Sikani at the moment, Akufo don't. Sikani do baby. First, no cabinet with me as a same so beto into Zuber. Cities I do be trying to watch in and then they would turn to 10 cities now near kind into sport eating near Kofa by your mind is canning baby and so he MICM to Yakotuma fan is saying because and so we 50 cities at 10 cities crowd. Okay. First and they said 50 cities crowd and they said you crowd 10 cities. They're for real. And mom there for real. 1 million 100 Ghana cedis at 20 Ghana cedis. For real because it will be more 50 cedi cra. I said on your way. I said on your way, you know. Will be more 100 Ghana cra. Who do 200 Ghana a boom no crown pudi or the chow cry crow sign and I say scan I say and your shame Yameti say Yameti as a joke for the one home on the cran and the dear Mota which need more than say Munina signing Marina Oka signing in so make you trouble them. Yes, signing Marina Oka. On a more serious note, and come out EBD, I'm starting from you because you're here and you know say me do room now within a year as I Neji Soba Waba Abetwa so Mebato Jackson Pra NDC communication team member for Ashanti region me amadina. Well Jackson and Chebia and Yanana Otoko so King Solomon Asia Nimpenifo now Ushia Womono Sebia son Sebia Yado Komochuchi man able to just say Ghana 2019 Yes, excellency, Nana Danko Fado, and an buying. I can say year of rose. Year of rose is on a Sebio, and then a cobaya, a fade, a ne. Obia a complaining a year a pine. Over Kumasti Trump, potent bubbles a pining a day, and yet. And to be sound, must say. Ebani say, and a cobasa, if you don't much woman, I cannot say. Sikeni ho, a jane, never can found. King Solomon. Ena omusro omuferi nti omotimi aka no kwese sikeni ho na yet me mufone they say we omotimi nka nche sikeni ho but they claim they've been doing a lot of roads. Mimi aba meda wase na mechia made nyina Dr. Sapon mechia no kwanso kuso na afi so mechia me constituency chairman Gareba. Okay. And me team so back for my friend team fearless. Okay. And so me team fearless so yeah make sure say yeah candidate say that to me for the first time because a surprise for constituency. Beautiful. Team fearless yeah bonechi dompa and I feel so no dan chen ya me chairman you penny chairman alampo ono so constituency wa. Beautiful. Diane now me trust can be me starting me nkasa yimu ka che say MPP amanyokuo no mpanifo started the UP tradition no wo mu di esumiensa na I made mention of an organizational culture esu a ye de tete ekuo bi mani nyini na me che say MPP amanyokuo no edikan ye de atro na da patapa ye ntokwape and
no man from fa or my bo my chrono. I can bro from say kleptocracy.
Okay.
And on MPP 40. What was so much added? Free 2019 iba. Year of rose. Abey ya kwai. Akofa do me job catch say. Now by where 10,000 kilometers. By behind bida. And a minority trust wait a minute. And a minority in parliament. You don't come in parliament. Eka budget statement over budget statement. Roads do I Eka ni na boom let's abandon 4,000 roads, 4,000 kilometers roads. But in the tram trot say under the year of roads no into waya kwai mako 10,000 kilometers. Isi MPP abai atro Omo ya atro fo ama na ya na ekuba tan kakraka no supporters no any various party sympathizers no omo nim se MPP tradition no amama ni efe na MPP e ya atro tradition we ya branch na wuro mo enche be trofo
eche NDC
me da me catch o se NDC abitwa troda
NDC na mo nsama na mo pa na mo
yes sama ya no kre me wo emekwa me refi come the green book neighbor green book no ye accounting to the people niema na ya ye wo green book ya MPP for the central bi nim kabo mu si be book na ni mo ase e be twantro a che Ghana for so what ma say won twantro aka niema ya ye wo mu Photoshop enne what the green book man say one choose am the Photoshop na mo kan na o mu nya one project impo en ka say Photoshop but when the omo ba mu no one di intro 6.5 years almost 6 years 9 months or 10 months we're in 11th month right 6 aka 11 months near Tuaba aka 13 months near Tuaba and before we di intro catch Ghana for so my akwanyina
but ya yebi ana omo yebi ana omo yebi
omo so my 10,000 kilometers
but the omo enu 10,000 kilometers
if you na nyina omo 4,000 John Dramani Mahama any year at Mills na me fa na kransie omo 15,000 kilometers roads e ma Ghana yempo yanka say Ghana kwa nyina ye 15,000 kilometers roads MPP for 4,000 to whom much is given much is expected abai we ajiji sika che abai bia abai we abobosi ache abai bia abai we enyam faso sika mu ache abai bia won so na modern bon so ani say na de ye wopim so anim na no pem bom mu asema
yeah
mpanyin fo nyina ene wopim so anim minister Ashanti regional minister opanyin Samuel Semensa watono ni mutu se contract in the area mema na ka sika de beye advert bi e ba ye na sika no we wo di wo man sika nyina wie wo man koto to it is sika wa abanda ma contract free summary wa abanda ma contract bi adu sika ya wala wujijiriji me ga so mo obi nyi wo to ni mutu the regional minister for Ashanti region say sika bi eni ho the sika na MPP jiji na we adwomboni na dada for ka kire say wo the sino hydro ba e no de 2 the year of rules no adwuma Mahama ni mia be ma baako Ibrahim Mahama edi ni sika eni na ho de aye ho adwuma wo bauxite ya wie oba so obetu na kofi de tractor so say John Mahama atama na menia mi wa Ibrahim Mahama the company no e famra kwan so nyina eji every payment that was required with exception the car and say parliamentary ratification that MPP for the abro ahoya ni prebre aje Africa na ni sim dia ma China ni one discuss one the concession ma China for to box out na bisine sika wo ho roads e wo infa akwan mo kasa China for me ye start see e kan no de nada some oni ma say one the asphalt valley ni di be fa nada aban akwan wo ma ye ni Ashanti region one the Ashanti region yamo kwai papa wa Ashanti region ya NDC aban na ye akwan papa standing the test of time NDC amanyuku nso ye to aba na o ma to etia ye kami hu yi panifo si nye nipa bibi ni obi bibi ni ye wa ye ni yi nti ade na ndisi aban ni aban a ye ba ye ya Asante region kwan akwan papa ye fa so ma ne yi e ndisi aban hwe ekwan ye da mo chi he ya kopie Koowaa Sokoban ampayo ni na adwuma amansa no adwuma ye kwan ni yanyi gata ekwan ni yi Joma ama ne ma contract kwa we se no ko video bu na ye Joma ni ma ne ma ne contract se won trim enkwa kopie trade Joma ama sa no adwuma Brother Koowaa do ba na ya je won sika da ho
nti oba no be finishing ana
oba be finishing
okay
but bisan say dey kwan no no start no obetimi awie otumi wie
na se bi wo ho na se wie no be wie no so is part of it
no ye President Koowaa ko no start kwan bi ye be wie esa ye de
okay nti obewie we kura wo son koye ne de
oyele de no wa ya wo de je nchirima so for life sa for what such am want to me so aka say ya anye so for life interchange ni de any Ashanti region abato na ye beto no ye failure o mu failure na ye wo no chama want me be mo Akufo ado na kwa bre force kwan ye na President Akufo ado abegina santemem o te kokko asase so etu fo me bi aka Asante
o kan ne de no kan
kwa bre wo pe ba bi anana setutu nana wani munyam nana nkwaso na no pembo mu asema nana asase so eya Asante region ba bi aye to obama Akufo ado pa ye kwa bre bum enso kwa bre kwan na nye de ho Asante region kwa bre kwan na nye ko mo de fans emprefo bi so ma to nana Akufo ado se nana kwa bre fo so mo kwan nye Utra a four kind of its implication is that he care less for the people of Ashanti region. He care less
but he never says so.
You see the interpretation of his statement. Now some more kind of person just say we more Santamai. We more Ashanti region. I catch a quabri sabi. Di kunio. Quabri sabi. Na munio. Montuma mia munya e mo amukukuru moti. Nintimi shamunia mo pena monye. Woma to ama bum awie. Be ya kwan kakra mu a kwabre wo firi ma fa de man ponten wo wemwa timi wemwa be sikenya ase wo wemwa be pie
abrima na
abrim na be sikenya da be kenya sabi be pie kenya ase kenya sabi bo sore
okay yeah
kenya ase
bi no
sa kwan no
mahu
o ha
ba sore de ne o maye
wo ye bia
ti futu nda so da
ho enne mo abe pie wo no sakra wo no aso kwanta akwai wo nyina nye
wo
President Akufo do timi hwe wo monim ka twom so mo nto aba ne mane bi mo munyai this time akwabre force wo ma GNDC atum ye ne ba ye ya akwan nti wo mo hwe yanim na akwabre fo me ka afidie so asre mo se mo de mo nso NDC hwe mo nim sa akwan ye de ye nkwaji sika no medi ye nkwaji sika no meche no bi fo mo de ngugum paase ye maji sika no kofa aeroplane ye betimi adware mu mo nim se fa abe do mama wonye bi da akwai papa wo kumase NDC aban ene ye president atwam na ye kankane John Mahama ne JJ Rollins ene Iratanos esu ye to aba wukurum ha kwa bere fo mi kan ye to aba sa ko to aba MPP bum wonya kwan boni bum demu kwe wo asem ni mu se aban na bogana bro wadi sika
Wakasi wadi sika de ka
MPP aban
no modi aka
MPP ba
no specifically say
yes
sika teni
aban sika wagigye ene bosi awagigye ene me figures
okay
wo ba power no 2017 ye dia President Akufo ado nsa no na Ghana de ka 120 million dollars 120 billion Ghana cedis Akufo ado ababo bosi akwa tra so saa woni bosi awabo they say Ghana ye bosi abo about 660 billion Ghana cedis which free mo Akufo ado kwa ababo bosi 540 billion 540 billion wọ́n yá akwa ya sika nasa wọ́n mọ̀ na ayi sika na ma aka dompe
mo ko mu je sika ma no
sika ye uni ye ja foto ma ko nan
but wọ́n ba wọ́n se sika bi ni ho
wọ́n ya trofo John Dramani Mahama ena me ye te heritage fund eno na enu sika na President Akufo ado ko yi ye so de beye food or de beye school free ni free SHS na okeka no John Dramani Mahama tikasi awi adwe odi hufo ohunumufo the visionary and the nation builder, or your village builder, any hometown builder, or your Ghana builder, nation, yet it's my yet it's a crap, and no papa for the Koowaa. You come in our yet, it could take them 35 years as I say. You come to be. Why you come in our sabi, you come say you're going in a yet. Why you come on the Wi-Fi system is see a cool for the cool. Tell me, yet. Almost on my phone, let me be using the browser internet. Wi-Fi see. I'm telling you.
Come on.
Tell me, see, you want to on my Wi-Fi see. When I'm gonna Kumasi is soon. Kumasi akwanye. Mr. Abana did 540 billion. What's your Koowaa? What the taxes are waji Yakawa Akufa 824 billion Ghana cedis. Now kwanya we no bi na no ni minister ka che sisika bi eni wo won mani sika what did 824 billion Ghana cedis wa kwanya wa ye nso ani 824 billion ana bosi a wagyeje nko a wo man wi mu bosi a wagyeje nko 660 billion
sa wo ka se
wagyeje 520 billion 540
omagyeje bosi a no montimi afa nye Ghana akwa nyina in NDC tenor when his excellency former president etia benya kete no so wagyeje sika sa otimi de wi Ghana akwa nyina
sika wagyeje ye no don no mahama na peso as a minister as a president sika wagyeje ye won 4 years nye 57 billion 57 billion bosi a wagyeje 57 billion now 57 billion ebi no dey atoabo gas eno enema Ghana gas supply when the last time to say Ghana short to gas John Mahama sanu adwuma no e save $400 million a year ye bobosia de japade ma japade no ba mfaso e ma oman ye bobosia fanye kenke party ye nye bosia fanye wache party MPP for kojisika won de be kenke party
de kenke party wa
who de won to oman mu ha 2019 won kojisika kenke party
na mujis ke bi yes
iska oman ye be MPP for na koji Eurobond koji bond
in confirm
I ask answer we na ya na
I just want to ask you
very good and confirm here to two a peasant farmers it was a program under LEAP poverty alleviation program and obi on ni bobre mu ni said ya wotie no any environment oti mu no adwuma obetimi aya yekua nti ebi doy ebi nyen preku ebi nyen nwan and ebi so nyen confirm na sabi nipa bo mu yetibo ni mfemtu bata no de be ni bia wo ma ni get template do eso no sa nipa ni mu baako and I don't money Mahama program all year poverty alleviation program your man in confirm also bet me and confirm
okay
say confirm what you say confirm what the be you
tell no
only papa akope and confirm the man say onye no ye who dey confirm me it is central for call round so nyina no o ko hu say bi mo nye preko na dore
okay
ebi anya nkukọ adore ebi anya nantwe ni nyan ama adore nipa ba akopɛ no so betimi nipa o gye iska so be nyan confirm no nipa ba akopɛ no na confirm ye bi sa ne confirm no se confirm na to ko bokena boni wi edwamama said in command me with does this have anything to do with President Mahama or what come on my sika yen yen kuma mo bi anya dwumanye oje ya siska no de dey ku bi sa say and confirm no omo to ko bokena e wa na central for the abeba say John Mahama nya confirm no a misrepresentation of the fact
okay that some journalists
no means some journalists and yes aboneni ti John Mahama say John Mahama nya confirm ye bua wo man jeje manika se ni Bible mu Bible say na odwumayini bi anase opafo bi tukwan friend 5 your friend is saying 5 servants or maybe 5 talent 2 talent 3 talent me pacho me boa say Bible mu won nyina de adwumaka nipa ba ko ba so tutu from this kind chef e chene ko tu fiase enti nipa bebre ababo mo ye obenya akubia oye ti bon koso amobra say nipa ko bo no wantimi amobra wa wo bo no ye nipa bone The John Mahama and the poverty alleviation program and OBG is can say more be suka kakrips and fanya confirm. You will be someone and confirm to call Burkina, one and some telephone be the Adan Mahamadin. Mahama time now confirm to call Burkina. That's something confirm. Now what back for the penswa excavated me to
excavated ben out is
hey. Now no say about brother, no never brother I'm saying. Yachi excavator mako 500 over any
excavator ben out is to because I know
a professor from Port what in the kind. On interministerial committee now opening from Port what in the dano.
Okay.
What the kind was say 500 and over excavators. That excavator back me can be say is wa. It's just so constituency ni penny number the can yet mimpia. Excavator back. It me fata by net. Ye haji. Enti ni kase wo me nyina se akofo ado adi wo man na wu. Wo wa chesika na fa. Se so wo se discount wo bi asika nya ya de adwuma ma wa nya de a wo betimi atua. Enti si mo se man sa se mo timi nyina pemso mo nya fo ni so the reality today is that MPP Sikano asa
and into to make us say there's no money our money be ya kwan
so who's come to be
all right then I wish for many be my Jackson Pra and a come of course NDC Ashanti Regional Communication Team member and I no pay me no edin come right about now NCBA me amadi na neji atnase ababi yankopon ye dana so ababeka mensanti meba no ma neji so akwaba ena no pe enkomo a yedi ene se nche bia na eja opem so asia ni ministers na ne mpanimfo enkomo twehwe mu a no be ka se 2019 MPP4 e ka se year of rose na so year of rose Ghana kwa nyina bebrina ayi se pinson very poor roads especially over Ashanti region kwa bebi wol ma enye enti enye na year of rose no mo kan no omo kan ede day na we na Ashanti regional minister Yura Simon Osemete ka say akwan no de sebie son sebie nyato enye se komunya anka omunya na nso sika eni ho enye na year of rose na omo kan 2019 no why omo ye fine adentia na eja be come inside there na eja ene and one I made to Amawi. Year first 2019, year Hunishe. You say the mama to Monutu, I pay more, I catch or talk also. King Solomon say, I feel there is no money. When would you guys get money to complete the rest of the roads? Na mefa kwenye wiso. Na minchia four. Na minchia miyamadi nina chema. Odono huko kwa pia kuka. Okay.
Bia chama kuka ubia mamichia me boss pa. Mamichia Ghana Mampeni na nado dankwa Ekufuado.
Great.
Bane na bedi ichi also the flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia, and after so me the Chief of Staff of the Republic, Honorable Akwesi Osei Pare, my inchia Momi Pao baby, Omichia Professor Peter Chumesi, ono sunni media wudibwa Ghana. And I know say Ghana kobo boy card de nanke abodro ba essence prof CC Park Nintino. Abranti Naki etumidi atinane tumo last minute kwa the more prof me the blasters na basopa baby bi omo and also na Dr. Benasanti birthday Ghana ga see you mama wishing happy belated birthday yes so nyamishira nkwatenti ya hodi wo mfama doctor mini aba Rose asani ya ken yakoda sorry ya yehu se mpenefo bi akwakohia led by 246 baby nana onkwaso yishra na pay ne the regional minister ne ahemfo ahodo ekohia ana omudin koma obi efechiri recording somewhere the regional minister ne ahemfo ehia edeba to abontia say the regional minister ne say sika eni ho rules no edeba to aso menuabam yen kanokre enchire ho say ampa beat obia wo Ghana hanim say aban ho akire no sika semmu pa
nti obesha e declare year of rose ahodo e wo Ghana ha sei na memfa ne se yenka ne se sikani ho
okay
yefa ne sikani ho sei yefa said there is no government say but from 2017 till ayen nedu ya make say acquire President Kufuor aye e wo Ghana ha sei no government, read my lips, no government in the history of this country and I acquire President Kufuor.
So how come
okay, no government in the history of this country and I acquire President Kufuor. Talk about Nkrumah, talk about Buzia, talk about Liman, General Frifa Kutukamo, talk about Rollins, talk about John Mahama, talk about J.E. Mills. President Kufuor may say no government and in less than 8 years why are quite a President Kufuor? Yes indeed I am in the past so this outcome obianim ahotra o man name ahotra o man name no enene say na hwachire no sikasem etikasa ne hwachire no sikasem a enka onkoye debt restructuring enka wonya na nkonkotoa IMF so kwakwa kope 3 billion ade e so the economy no obianim say ahotre ewiase eti eno na ma aban ne de face sikasem challenge but despite of some money nyina no aban ne mpa abaye gutu twa kwan ahotre wo mu no aban ne gutu twa kwan so what I say you go to Masodi bia the contractor is there ogusu ye adwuma so what I say uko Masodi bia contractor how ye de ye adwuma because Dan Patel because I am chair communicator no na so what I say on nante so what I say go to a Sufia Samai so what I say Barkasi road contractor how ogusu ye adwuma ahotre wo hono sikasa wo akwatwe but the ye was sentimental ano me no eti ha omo betra so mfie otwe 8 good years me am de okasamo ne be ma no almost kilometers of roads from the Ashanti region kilometers of roads are in almost 8 years period no on the Ashanti region me de man obetumi akasa so to say how many kilometers of roads on the Ashanti region are in almost 8 years period on one oti ni akache me na minti
as once a constituency
can you imagine they say how many kilometers of roads na whatever Ashanti region so to say because NPP in our less than 8 years period you had 1,800 kilometers of roads in our Ashanti region in less than 8 years me damn no more community almost kilometers of roads on the Ashanti region. Therefore, you see kind of asano kilometers of roads in the Ashanti region in less than 8 years. On one of they say BP had 1,800 kilometers of roads in the Ashanti region. On one can the NDC the back Romania.
The 2,000.
Can you imagine a draw? Oh, mude debi a draw. Do you let me see? Expose me sa kopem say that about 2024. A draw.
Where's your source?
In less than 8 years. In less than 8 years. In less than 8 years. No 8 years I'm over no. Kona koko check kilometers of roads I'm the Ashanti region. It's almost over 400 kilometers. So MPP the area no times 3 and NDC mude buy.
No.
So I say Kumari na mude Ashanti region less than 500 kilometers of roads. But now as we speak ayo na mutira ko hasa mai Ghana kwa nyina
yanka se Ghana kwa nyina
ayo na mukai ayo mama na kacha President Kufuor say onnam no Kufuor say akwana NDC say maye no mi hu ajo mama kacha say Kufuor say order
wankasa
ayo mama na kacha Kufuor wankasa and oti ya oti wo afele wankasa e ko mu so ta say oti wo afele ho eti jo mama say Kufuor order eno so hu akwan no but now ni pefe say onya akwan ye ba mu pepepe Ghana for President Kufuor ko Eastern region no musu om na kwan ho oko Central musu om akwan ho Ashanti musu om na kwan ho first voter just say all the regions in Ghana the President Kufuor be ko bia musu om na kwan om akwan ho Kufuor fato no ho say ampa moto abamami unye jide na moto abamami it ma kwan na ya amamo in the history of this country ababa no why interchange Kufuor no government and I interchanges a Kufado. So I say, it is a true professor. Young pious here, what's saying, yeah, you have a bureaucrat in the NDC. And in fact, Ghana for your auntie says, yeah, buy Rosetta and Lagovoi, or maybe Rufa Namakusiawa. You buy a suit over 2017, and perform boy a three say, a young truck contractors, Kasamukai. Before 2017-2018, almost every before one truck contractors, Namoka, Dendo. More Saka Lugu, and the president of Kufado Kenoforiata, and I'm sure I honorable Kenoforiata will be bio. You can't say a forensic audit. And before I catch a Ghana for say, Ghana for the car almost 20 billion. Oh, yeah, the road sector. It will conform my acquaint. Meaning say, a carrier, the minister, my Ghana for my bow. So I say, and as we speak, a car road sector close to 12 billion.
It's about still
yes,
we have a lot of poor roads.
Yes, it's a true professor, and it's not now. Ekufado no ba no ye de o ya kwan ene me no bi e ya do ase ye te fe se e hye so ase ye hwa kwan ekufado aye okrum ase ye akwan ekufado aye de aye asante region ase ye na kwan bi da ase aye atinga junction ase eko aye trade eko efe se da ba ye trade ni aye nimpoto mo na eni si fo tra so fi wo twa o de o saka e me tumi afọ mo saka unim se se hwe okuma ase se hwe asante region ase One sa kwa we so atrede kwa we efes atinga jaje ya uwe mu ha udu be du trede wa akwa bi da kwa utumi ru ahokoko sisafi na wo ya kwa kokko sisafi utumi ru ahokoko si aye anyan kwanta ekufa do aye akwan kese bi da wa ese woni esese ka kire ekufa do na yo obosi anyan kwanta kwan na ho enfie petepepe ni why na be ye ekufa do na baba be go to ayama so dubia ekufa do sa kwan na na ho but ekufa do ba ye no baba be de o yes ha e akwan na de ama wo mo for ni kire mo aton so gogo ase ye hwa kwan kase ekufa do aye ato wo mo so ta se na kwan mi da aye nyina hini eko sesu timpo mo eko sesu timpo the issue is na ko tanka so da titi tamo do ma e bo ni wi ase mo be transo mo kwa de mo be transo 27 years in governance. NDC 27 years in governance. But Trabia Bakwa, NDC ayo okrum hanere. It's a true professor. Sesikaba yen Samoa, the new patriotic party. Ya benye Ghana for kwai ama mu de omunya ere.
Mujitum said yes money.
Oh, Jejetum said. Okay. Ahotre and ayede about the government no so. But atie ne mu ye. E chen kasa bebo nyina. Former president John Dramani Mahama wonama wo ye de okrum. Say akwan ene ne NDC form ye efes de de okruma ye gaje former president ne NDC form say omo tire akwan mo ye okrum hasi interchange sahudo say no mo ye okrum hasi mo ka tire say road sector ye de ka ye ko ya forensic audit no say na ye 20 billion no that is less than 10 billion you can say mo raise certificate contractors so ma ye djuma magana mo raise certificate me jom sika no me no ka say and then as contractors ne be ba so me ba jom sika me but now for we go it reason say yen tia say scan mamo it is like ya forensic auditor ge ko tia ere eguye ebi o Ghana for tia say MPP ba ya ye djuma pa hwa o hwe aye cycle interchange ya wo ya NDC for so mo ye ma Ghana for ya o sika na mo de ye no over $250 million o say scan say scan mo de ye cycle interchange no e ku for the use say sika na it's 4 good interchanges
Zero one was
one interchange cost Ghana over $250 million. One interchange, and this is 4 years earlier. And for the use of $250 million, no, it's 4 interchanges. What was the car? Go to fly first fly port, first port, Accra. Go to Nkrai. Go share first interchanges. I hope you go for this year. For the first time in history, John Hammond of the northern region tell us then on the the Tamale and at the northern region. For the first time in the history, President Kufuor at the interchange called Tamale. So I say, it's a job of the same be a tomorrow. I want to know the so. And I'm back on so. It's a Benja Magana for say. You been your MPP Wabotre. Hey, Mr. Chane Muria. kyerɛ kasa bɛbu nyina MPP yɛbɛyɛ ma yɛyie biribi a sika wɔ bi a yɛbɛpɛ ne yɛde ayɛ asante kwan because already no yɛgu so yɛ asante kwan so ɔgyina wonim sɛ Swami interchange no wonim sɛ ɛgu so ayɛkɔ so contractor wɔ so a so kyerɛ sɛ ɛgu so ayɛkɔ so yɛyɛ auxiliary dabi ɛyɛ possible sɛ yɛbɛyɛ ɛfrɛ sɛ because I think it was 36 months which is almost 3 years so kyerɛ sɛ it's yɛgu so ayɛ de yɛyɛ it will sɛ Ghana asante nti aseɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi complete all this project a yɛyɛ a agye sɛ yɛma MPP to us so because sɛ NDC ever say wom NDC ba say wom all project on that all project because we share baako bi te sɛ ɛyɛ Fomina ɛne Kumawu hospital a wɔn sɛ gɔfɔ wɔ di sika wɔ ho sika wɔn kɔgye sɛ wɔn de si ɛyɛ hospital sama the people of Ashanti ɛne Kumawu no wɔn di sika no ho wɔn fɛ sɛ sika no kɔyɛ research in the year 2016 sɛ wɔn hwɛ sɛ NDC bɛ win ya can you imagine and these people say yeah for 2 minutes I say wɔn sa adabra Ghana for wɔn yɛ saa ɛyɛ dwumadie no.
Najee and I attending can of course yeah Jackson do you have a read at all?
Yes my catch on MPP for attorney patapa there who did drokra they do it so blazingly atopa and when we na Najee track at no no we share one page when you say we atrofo that is the interpretation was say and then I say to top him so fair regional minister
we record day
now meeting was that tape a doctor tape it was a recorded tape the engineer say ma me won yes in me and come because one ankoso what try catch her say tio me no try catch her say Ghana oh na no him for boa na akufado kwa waya ma Ashanti region na to say na no him for twa akufado so sa no person o kire
ba kire sa
na ni se na no hia e ka ho asem na si mo se me sa kwa se
to me say ye na no hia ho
na no na kwa se kwa na waya na I funny for the first time a regional minister has been halted
and he told it
ya regional minister na be no aka no cross sika ni wa de ba ya kwan so ya kwan ni here and sika na sa e kana number for say kwan ni satisfactory enough but what was it that is why you do man aswani in the sika ni ho ni kwa na number te wase na na mo pote mo nyina tutu na na mo ko e wasa te be jini akoko na se ne akoko akwa bubo na nya papa ana na mo di na na ko fa na no say tutu so catch the ministers or catch the help say when the government officials come to you problem
okay
also na no saban when you for ba mo na say mo mi sa wo mo akwan ho asem te say me ba to ma say so be be na no akasa che magnitude statement na what here catch na na say to opim so say we boa na kwan ye what catch na no info share we nyina say akufado aya kwan na no mu to akufado so na me fa bo ncho na mpanyifo hu mo bo such a serious statement to come if dey kasi we so
so no ka say na no mo boa but you can say you know obi afechi a record he admitted say at the end of the day you know ojitum say ahochiraba and that's why most of the roads no
ahochiraba
states and
na say wo kan ni sa akufado aya kwan cha ban bia wo Ashanti region
ni eboa na
meba wo sika wonya a wotime di nya himbo site akosia wo wa akɔgye sika sɛ wode bɛyɛ Ghana akwan yɛ Kumasi yɛ part Kumasi wɔ benefit Ashanti region bɛ benefit so yɛyɛ asase so na ɛwɔ what is say yɛ MPP for come presidential primaries no Kofi Pedro Kwaku bɛka sɛ Dr. Bawumia Sino hydro sika ni bo hɔ kɔgye yɛ wafa ama Ghana ɛwɔ ne hɔ Kofi Pedro Kwaku wɔnyɛ nipa ketewa wɔ MPP mu wɔka kyerɛ Dr. Bawumia sɛ wakɔgye Sino hydro sika ni bi wɔde ahyɛ ne ho tibi sa wo sɛ saa sɛm wei yɛ na no no ahyia wo mu so ɔma kwan akwan no sɛ na wayɛ a tina na no ahyia yɛ no wɔn mu ebi sɛ wayɛ akwan to wɔn bɔ aban so boɔ sɛ ɔma kwan nyɛ and you are here telling us say akwan a wayɛ ahokyerɛ bɛn na aba sika wɔyɛ ɛkyɛ aban biara
kilometers of road no nya no
kilometers of road de yɛ ano akyerɛw president Kufuor ɛbɛdi ɔman tie me president Kufuor kwan a wɔyɛ ne Ghana ha nyinaa President Koowaa kwa na Ashanti region President Koowaa kwa na Ashanti region 210 kilometer routes na President Koowaa di 8 years by year if you 209 I better benya so akosi 2016 ye de akwa ye 503.44 kilometer stretch of road more than double of President Koowaa no my website na kenkan
okay
website no website thechronicle.com gh
okay
yeah akwa NDC ye no from 2009 to 2016 me never catch me say Akufo-Addo aye interchange ache Ghana for aye interchange ache Abia na me ma police ke be sidan ma police ka no bank e we dia beto e dey be ye ekwanwi ni etu ma bre na me ma contract na ye start na ye tu ma de so me poti ni o na wo ba na u be wi a e che sa wo na wo ye ato wo ma ko mi President Koowaa started so for interchange NDC abai ni be wi
for a Eurojet project na kawan
meba President Koowaa we interchange aswa interchange another just stretch GOG loan government of Ghana generated revenue internal generated fund bosia I don't think that I can say oh boy na mo de muske ya nche man ka so for interchange mo enfiwo government of Ghana generated internal generated fund bosia President Koowaa started when no baby yen ye be pay sikatete mo we mo be wie aka faso so for interchange interchange but the contract repim according to the contractor when they can interview no was a contract pim baby a esi no it was their intention to expand it way to Daba Ekupo their own intention but time after the Koowaa sign contract pim apatrapa junction
the sovereign interchange
yeah over in what we but the near year grab then you be mark faso
good
aka ancillary works and one chen
that was a
grass near there was here but what must say as for interchange President Koowaa the chance ye ni baby what me nkasa on the chance ye ni baby Akufo-Addo interchange by interchange the wire on akwa tabale flyover any interchange
at least he has done something.
Now John Mahama in the Koowaa interchange the law was secured by John Mahama. John Mahama in the secure Koowaa interchange loan.
Bank.
We was side contract. John Mahama the side contract for Dubai. Come on, Dubai no. Here na ye circle Dubai no sa brother na John Mahama side contract for obeche bi la interchange John Mahama sa wo dwuma John Mahama contract sa bo se ni na kaka John Mahama bo se abobato
oboa ne oka
bisa no so obeche bi la mte why na side contract phase 1 phase 2 phase 3 why na side contract
all right
me ma no see Koowaa interchange e bia no sa ma na wo contract na sa bre madwuma tre me dia tre twe mo nkra pa Koowaa interchange, the contract was signed. Contractor moved to site by John Mahama's era 2016. Check your records. Now you put music you sign whole contract. Over 2 years old make up President Koowaa they are selling a cry. This one is chance here. And you will be credited to some level of intelligence. Say you be. I'm trying to move your memoir and all the catchers and why you are quiet. Till another one some more canoe. I could put that quiet. Hey! Who can project be also catch us say e kwai e fi awojo Atena junction ha e to ma fa konkoli akosi trade e Akufo-Addo dwuma e John Mahama the share contract as monitor come and
they came to complete it.
Yes John Mahama the share says who say e kwai ye akwai answer go check time Covid started so yi kwai we so
share
go check it e bia no nyama wo to patamura Nukwepa make a true.
Alright.
Enti, sawo baka abayi we say baba million kasi mo
fancy.
O say baby esika we no mepa bosi ade apo. Mepa bosi ade aye.
Exactly.
The way fi say Ghana by blacking in the international market. IT for 2 years last year if you last year be seen there Ghana by compare bosi ade aye from aye. If we are seeing aboye ketu say we want to kafo ya boy ya katuo say we are seeing
oh Jackson
ya ko say me ma ye bibio like I'm a football and say akra no wo say sika om de ma ye no sister na sister no om de ma ye so 60 million na om de ma ye no ya kan wo fa ma ye so mo ba na say scan way
okay
Ghana sika bi ni baby akofo do be na dia point me dey ka say baby sika bi obwa Ghana has been blacklisted.
Now let me move on to my second story now for you yetimi ama abedwa for one second
me dem minia no say a car asijo mama eje ye no request interchange you ka ho sa interchange na wo ka ho asem na how many tier
na 3 tier
can you imagine so when you are no
na wo say say
is the baja one kasa me wa say so just say just so what you say please who started me alone also oje ye no me there this is the official document from parliament.
Let's check it.
Laws, treaties, and agreement, conventions are signed. I'm telling you, say in bank, come on, this is scanism of the Baba Bay, and friends, and because it is a woman source. Come on, Mama source, where every parliament, where in that row, you put one on the budget. What's the budget? Budget as an American. Let's say parliament, you will laws I have this.
Easy, mommy, moving on to my next story. I told you, lesson training for a teacher for one more apple square. Now, yes, this show more we are Mojumano. His Excellency Adam Kokufado, a buying and penny for say, a bay of Munsan control and so he beam. Now, no, and I will just say, unless if we say, Debbie, ya try exams every year, ya post school every year, I try exams, yes, station, yes, I got exams, and find them. No, and His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, JDM, about wanted so no, quite no sound so ever Sabunya can say. Eswa sa unnecessary sebie son sebie nyado examination ni na no otwe ni nyina mu na je wa ha me bisa se na je enye na akoba se bia makosu ko ebi na me ya adwuma ni esa ka kire me se me san ko tro nso bi eno so de no
me never former President John Dramani Mahama ka kire yen se wo kwa batoa se etro na wonim twa
okay,
do the unthinkable so that the masses will accept you. Your Mahama no masses no. It also we lie during campaign. Your Mahama also no or election top plans and we win elections. You no be no shall say on na we dey or you know. Jakwe bi bonyo ma say dada noa. Former President John Dramani Mahama sign. And no be no akoko jina ha dada school for you. But me can't do a school for no munimity pa because yes me or try essential exams I'm for NMTC so be bisa now I am professional it your kwamanonia odumede ekoko ye adwuma wo no
okay
doctor ni oje license and san wakwa doctor ni lawyer ni oje license me boa eduma ye professional bia no omoje license even po yes me go carpenter for enimtia and hairdressers in enimtia omo ko sua ensa no eduma ni wia ye ma wo mo abodin krata stress omo ye den omo pon mo ho a omo nimde so ta say essential for mo nya mo license me wa
yeah
project work ahodo amu twa no okuro ana ya tam keto me wa teacher for NTNA, your Mahama office your short memory so. Wow, budget 2016 budget paragraph 635 in the year 2016. What is shame? Say this license teachers for you. I want to see a mawomo a license.
I can see a moment treasure.
TNA. I can say where daily graphic. John Mahama name NDC for no or more massive new. Yeah, you say. new teacher license starts from 2016-2017 academic year. John Mahama no kasa ne obetwa license mu no ono no kasa. It was a confirming answer no. Your co-elections are was already try to do the unthinkable. Often so nurses for any teacher for 10 years pa. And this is for say omobetwa a nursing and teacher training allowances mu bio. Sa campaign no okay sa campaign no dey already. Aya afese mo MP aya Alhaji Suhini no Suhini on lead this campaign no. Nursing and teacher training for 10 years. It is John Mahama no why not this obeda Ghana for obey the unthinkable so that the Ghanaian people will accept him. But you can't say Ghana for say a decorated monkey is still a monkey. John Mahama no on society. Former President John Mahama on society. On any NDC for almost society. Omo the whole person who be in Ghana for faso. It's to know that I did a for no. I will say Ghana for no. And let me about time and say former President John Mahama ya ono na mama teacher training a school from 2012-2013 John Mahama ni NDC say yam fa wo medwuma mu ne yam fa wo medwuma mu tira eteki akufado MPP ba ye no ya na to backlog of teachers from the year 2013 no munya adwuma nurses so ya na to backlog of nurses ekufado ne ba ya offer free John Mahama penso from 2012-2013 up to 2019. And then John Mahama or yes ayaka de no ono no say na me tiro make this a promise. See you very careful. Say John Mahama ya no kete so onye magician onye professor no amagana for edumaye. And the license no say license na babu aba. And I will say as we speak you have come here breaking news to be said almost 10,000 teachers and omenya akonya ometukwan this year. Do you know the reason? Because now they are professional. Think about what you say. Sebi so sebi yado enya dia sebi so also try exams bi one while they already working. Man should I oye no wa oye juma ya ka tell say okon go exams school as an other graduate. That's not true. That former president John Mahama de Ghana say man so just say it's medium is same mama no and say nursing and teacher training allowance and this John Mahama no go for me okay ya to abama wo mu a sa license no teacher for mo just say John Mahama person mo be professional John Mahama ni this one person be professional after so teacher for my refi say ya try dem fie miensa na wo krom ha it's like 3 good years John Mahama so be try in 3 months John Mahama ya our mama what say I ono die oba obetwa teacher training let's exams mo John Mahama ya no ma ye try dey fie miensa I will say obetwa 3 months okay me say John Mahama on society it akwara nyem na oboye no o say dada no Jackson please come in for me
America yina no sembe wa kan sembe be enye no kure
yina no ne onkwe
na ma ba masem no
yina no
ni edi kan
5 minutes
one five topic abana some on topic
so but
also for you may seminar no
5 minutes is 6
but what they 6 minutes
man yet
10 they also they call it
into the mama 10
go ahead
what the time by
John Mahama kan be bia anya ni be bia se obi anya bia kire de 3 years obetwa 1 year obetwa 3 months
okay
wouldn't be John Mahama decentralized the employment system
okay
Emma district assemblies started say head teachers now go to recruit teachers we ma do am here tiboni entu pata Ghana for teachers headmasters ibi ho a sika akwenya John Mahama de mo so ho for teachers ni bi no nim of teacher na no about dating no of na no about dating no employment no money district education directors ni bi a bit no about dating teacher ni a wa try there 3 months what you say ni about dating no employment letter and date ni about dating that is one try there 3 years ago but now we about dating amount now for what back pay ade a teachers ni ye na jo mama te ye ai no ma bia na program wo tititi wo na fe be regulation so bia fa ni certificate embra by your certificate any employment date no ye be mu year wo wie school any year you post you a wo say abade ka 2 years woni all back date ya sika ne ba no head teachers ni directors no ma check
teachers what person catch teachers what some are called for asema person catch teachers for teacher for that
teachers ni bi headmasters ni bi
and that was why
and any teachers whether a yes ask scheme no na wo wi aban outside authority wo wi aban
teachers why are called for
hey please
teachers for more fight why
I am very informed person
please just go ahead
manunya idea ye na me to aso na education directors some education directors some education supervisors some head teachers were in kaput and stealing from the government only via mine and the mama team of my being like for years and past so teachers in the break that is in the break because they was here ba in Japan is an old man is school 2012 ne employment letter no ya budget was started June 2010 it's any authentication at your mama class so the education directorate now the trans ministry of education so okay young virtue will be a father you may be a funny certificate in bra and when you go say go for work a day of the course school any certificate on the difference and your mama and my directives okay or what here 3 years will be at your 3 months a month hot almost say don't cut 2 years and over no hot it and pay 3 months for them who 3 months now begin at the verification process for a certificate admission letter out the course school year certificate will be a and then employment letter for the abra near who sequence listen yesiko I think na hey happy for their campaign happy before by some process number 12 so 3 months pay near for number 12 up to now because people only do some say your mama do your boy until your mama can say obi aye adwuma 3 years me twa ne kai aye backdating system of we are by no and you authenticating your child
mo kra mo ya comfort
o say teachers ko abotira e mo try dey street o me kan che me we so boa o man bia ne system what you say we doctor wa ha more measures.
Sure.
It will you cannot be absorbed into
the measures that you were.
No. Over 12 different exams. Up school. Me cousin, your doctor, or Ghana Police Service, or doctor, or she has to school for 2 years and son of a child. The doctor seem become Kusuadi and son of a really one.
Yeah.
We are teaching you how when you watch your neighbor for the essay. No matter your qualification, you write another exams. It's not a question about licensure exams we universal licensure exam certificate ya the more baby akobia timi charge wo poa ye okwe
nzo oni me oka
ya to so ma nka ma de woni enye no kweda what you say licensure examination we John some people read by a daily guide and currently almost pass vice chairman
Okay.
Freddy Blay ne paper the caption licensure certificate to be awarded starts this year. Yes, sir, licensure certificate. You can say the exams. But what must say? You can say the exams. Yes, sir, licensure professional certificate. Modality is a room. I don't want kind of story. I mean, modality is a room. About when they make changes and essential Ghana Education Service, any Ministry of Education, Koowaa dear say you regularize teachers no. But what must say? And who we are? What you say? Who we are? You will interviews how back. What you say? You will interviews how back. And you na control exams. Now when we need the say, or but that teacher for so before Mojuma. And then there's still obi e hu na dey o ba da do mu wie no o ba da do mu no so be for madwuma no o ba ya no si hospital o si school bia no dia be wie e ti back of yɛ wɔ no ɔnni kwan a ɔbɛfa so ɔbɛfa ɔmo adwuma nti ɛna ɔsɛ mokɔtwerɛ so ne wɔn fɛ nu ɔkɔtwerɛ na ɔmo fɛ that is why our nurses ne ho sɛ sɛ ɔyɛ demonstration ti aban sɛ yɛ posti wɔn a na aban de licential exams na bɛ cross wɔn sɛ most of you mo n twa licential exams nti wolo kò sáde pre-post na ɛne sɛ nti because of licential exams ni nti ɔkɔ so ɔbɛ fɛ ni ɔfɛ ni soso a ɔfɛ ni a ɔtumi ɛka kyerɛ aban sɛ aban fa wɔ adwuma ɛna ɔde ayɛ barricade ɛna ɔde sɛ ɛkɛ ɛbɛba nurses ɔmo hwɛ efiri yɛn kɔla bere ɔmo atwerɛ licential teachers ɔmo kyerɛ adeɛ efiri yɛn kɔla bere ɔmo yɛ abɛdu ebi eti ɔmo atwerɛ licential. What must say? But we are who we are today. President Akufo the teacher section that did not write licentiate. Yourself, teacher chair will do GHS, SHS, or they go to licentiate exams. See, licentiate and about that, I know never more being your juma. And tactics are buying. I say, I buy no edit. Students listen, my phone listen within 5 seconds. Students not trusting say, I buy not for call ratio. And my school, I couldn't know what's your juma. And tea. Ɔmo twe biem ana dɔm ha wɔ sɛ ampa ɛyɛ mpase asam sɛdeɛ yɛ ado ɛyɛ nsamfo ne ɛne sɛm a ho hia ɛno nti ɔba a wɔbɛyi afi hɔ ɛnti teachers na ankasa wɔn aka so wɔn mpɛ ana yɛsɛ ɔmo ba yɛbɛyɛ ɔmo apɛ bi ama ɔmo ana ɔmo yɛ wɔhyɛ wɔn no ɔkomam makomam ɛwɔ ɔmo bɛ tuatia wɔn
no ho na se teachers why
after 7 a.m. Couple of messages I have here. Yvonne Benson says my question is NDC people as if or same. My question is NDC people as if they have actually been in power before in the same country. See the way he is, expressing himself. I don't really get your point, but I'm moving on. Also from Yvonne and that some countries are fighting for development in and of course you guys are just for teachers. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Majo so oh, me too one kayon call. Hello. Good morning. Me too one play middle. Okay, into.
When I share with the NDC, everything you on your assembly, Mama, or teachers for 3 years in power. That's kind of now, for the schools. Nurses, for the city coming to the day. Check a woman, nothing to now, when I buy it. I could not buy that. I put on one with him. Now, Mama's hundreds of team. Like my photo, I don't know how many egg back. Schools are island, my sitting. Like my photo, I don't know how chicken me. Mama gave me now on the island, or the top, or that chicken, and then paying that food. On the island, all the school, scholar, teachers, schools, nothing paying. Oh, yeah, no, okay. I'm going to give a much
okay, bye-bye. That's it. This one is from Thomas Chiba for William says, Diane, we the floating voters will decide come next year. We have no COVID-19 patients, but we pay COVID taxes. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, honestly, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But I told you to be free.
Hello. Good morning.
My job so my uncle.
You can go back to
Yes, you.
You have to pay. Hello.
Go ahead. Why
ọ̀nà kẹsẹ̀ dèdèdèdèdè sọ láti àkókò bí sábẹ́ ọba àwọn yẹn yàtọ̀ àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ ń sọ ètò ìfọ̀ ẹ̀rọ níta ìṣe àyà ẹ̀rọ níta kẹsẹ̀ ìfọ̀ ọkọ̀ yẹn sọ ìlú ìṣẹ́bíṣà ọdún ìlú ìṣẹ́bíṣà àwọn tó ń yẹ wúdi àkóńbà àwọn ayé máa yẹ kí wọ́n ti lè ṣe yẹ́n ti lè máa ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ àkọ́kọ́ àkọ́kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọ́n kẹ̀kẹ́ sáré ẹ̀rọ àkọ́kọ́ ìwáyé lè ní èrè ọmọ ẹ̀rọ àkọ́kọ́ wọ́n ti kẹ́kẹ́ wọ́n ti ní ẹni tí wọ́n á kọ́kọ́
yes, so yeah, that's it. But I don't know what Nana said that. Anyway, let's move on. There's one Bibi. Bibi says that. Good morning. Maybe I told him baby I'll frame me free. Maybe I told him baby I'll frame me free. Baby I'll frame me free. Good morning. I'm in fish so because oh mommy him too much. It's minty oh friend me and patrol. Yeah, minty listen to me in your telephone. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
The patrol with dinner baby I'll frame me free. Patrol man let's look at camera me yonko.
Ito the young people you can na people for na for in the press. Young some people
Yeah,
I born
alright. Thank you for contribution and pay. So with your bar, I come 7 minutes now. Meko also beat me Afri. Good morning, sweetheart.
Morning, Madam Martin.
Maybe I told my Joseph Papa, we didn't baby Afri.
I'm not saying because
Nana Pacho ain't one pay. Great.
Mama,
Bye-bye. Yes, so that's it for contribution. If I have 2 calls, major the curtains down to this edition. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh. Me pacho online ni munya papa enti jina baby ye ma mo adaro mana mi ti won kama pacho. Okay, the line ni munya mi. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have only 2 minutes to go according to my clock. Nala, yeko.
Mineba. I mean, country Ghana for say, and it does so.
Sir,
say your mamma, but I buy them by it. Now, dear Yam say, will be a former President John Dramani Mahama at the Ghana port, Aquacusia, for 35 good years. In Tigana, any control what my port and be brace out. I already a cry and your man in a so I say, your mama Tom, I will be for 35 good years. French investor, a friend Vincent Balori, what Tomano, your mama Tomano, for 35 good years. So I go for you, no more say, yeah, go to Obama woman. Not former President John Dramani Mahama, Samra, a Benubim. Then I thought, I say, your Mahama also want to me for 1 term, or to me for 1 year, and fix it the Ghanaian economy. Your Mahama or 1 year, and that's all 1 term. It will be on also to me for 1 term and fix it the Ghanaian economy to first solve the Ghana problem. I had then I will talk about this on my baby company.
Jackson, Pacho, Eko, sweetheart.
Michiami Kuma, Asantamai NDC fan club.
Okay.
Yami Aduma, Thursday Bay meeting, Asantamai Bay meeting. Obi ama modern sobre eku a ihie mu a yebuba ye ho so ye kai kai ho ne man this year ye mobilize house to house and grassroots to be a person ye NDC adwuma bi apart from a branch out to aba no I was say wotimi join Asante my NDC like itimi bu adwuma ma Asante region
come on
na woni me pacho John Dramani Mahama Enfa Ghana port Emma investor bia for 37 years
35 years
but enye no
information
na me so
information are make big row
enye no kweda
aya no kre
okasa
enye no kre matro yi a ode mai
na to me class mo ya me pon
no you see there was someone that access a team for hwe me no they are using information okasa mo me okutumira
on the $4.1 billion.
There's no document to show. There's no news item to show. And so what can you
NDC communication team member, you know, and I don't pay many or more. Of course, production crew for this morning, executive producer for the show, Russ Samta, who starts so, and I'm a producer extraordinary, Jake. ono na opolisi ejimedi ede me director as usual always doing an adorable job Akwesi Adumako Junior Oji supported by famous and facial MCR Arobai as a PSC me enta enkoma odifo ewinfo but something kwekwe boatanso na Dorifa Vigo platform so no yebeda wonum ase papa midi edi Diane eduhene Jemfi kwatena kosia adomdome ya ebo donkwa ehia o Kumasi 104.1 yede Kumasi kwanso dwumedi no so no ebesomo have a beautiful day you watch channel pa ya crown